Hello everyone, welcome to SM Automobile. Today we are going to review the Hero Electric Photon lithium phosphate model. This is the front look of the scooter. It consists of 10-inch alloy wheels with telescopic suspension. This is the combined braking system. This is the external charging point, and this is the Hero Electric badging on the side. This vehicle requires license and registration as it is a high-speed model. And these are the side guards. This is the 1200 watt waterproof hub motor, and these are the dual shock absorbers. This is the 72 volt 26Ah lithium phosphate battery, but it has a warranty of 3 years. It has a decent front floorboard area. You can easily store some luggage, and this is the luggage hook. This scooter consists of two driving modes. The L indicates the low range and the H indicates the high range. And these are the horn indicator and the high beam low beam switch. The digital display displays the battery indication, speed and the kilometer reading, and the visibility is good. When you on the scooter, you can see these symbols. Whenever there is a problem in the particular unit, you can see the symbol blinking, by which we can easily identify the area of the problem. And this is the round headlight unit. These are the indicators. This is the parking light, which is halogen bulb, and the headlight used is LED, which consumes less power. Today we are going to do the range test of the scooter. This is the 6 ampere charger. It also displays the percentage indication. You can see the battery is fully charged, and the charger has a warranty of 3 years. The scooter gets completely charged in 4 to 4.5 hours. The kilometer reading is 84. After 10 seconds, it automatically switches to trip meter. Now let's check the underseat storage. You can easily store a full faced element, and this is the MCB switch. This scooter does not consist of a removable battery. This is the lithium phosphate battery. The cover is arranged for easy servicing. This is the remote keys by which you can lock and unlock the scooter. It consists of anti-theft alarm system, but you compulsory need the key for switching on the scooter. Now let's start with the range test. Now we are in the L mode. This scooter, as it consists of a 72 volt battery, you can feel the initial jerk. If it would be made more linear, it will be nice. As the people who are not habituated with the electric vehicles, they may feel a sudden surge of torque. The braking is also decent enough. Now we'll check the max speed we can attain in the L mode. we are able to attain 56 to 57 kmph. And now we'll once again check. The suspension is bit on a harder side, but it can easily pass through the potholes. This scooter has a loading capacity of 150 kgs, and now we are traveling with approx 120 kgs, that is 2 persons, and the seat is also good. On the flat surface of road, we are able to achieve a top speed like 56 to 58. This is the top speed, and for once 2 seconds I was able to see 59 on the speedometer as well. Just let me show you once. See, this is the top speed. You can easily expect a speed of 56 to 57. And now I'll be switching to the H mode to check the maximum range we can extract. You can attain a top speed of 49 in the H mode, and the claimed range is 80 to 85 with low speed mode, that is the H mode. Please don't get confused with L for low speed and H for high speed. In the scooter, for the scooter it is little bit different. Now we are approaching an inclination, and the speed has dropped from 48 to 44, and you can see the battery indication is also stable, which is good. The scooter also consists of a regenerative braking feature. The cost of this scooter is 75,990 rupees ex showroom. For more details about the specifications, you can please check the description below. This is the LED headlight. It is not completely dark, so the visibility is a little bit low. Let's check after some time. And now we have done 33 kilometers, and still the battery indication is displaying full. And now whenever we are accelerating, I can notice there is a drop in the battery indication. For an electric scooter, to check the correct battery status, whenever the scooter is at a standstill, we can see the exact battery status. I have driven 30 kilometers on the highway, and now I'm driving in the city itself. The speed in the H mode has decreased from 48 to 46 kilometers, and now we are able to achieve a speed of 44 to 46. And now you can notice there is 1 bar decrease in the battery indication after 69 kilometers. And let's see how much far more we can go. And now I can notice the battery status decreasing. We have also driven the scooter on the high speed mode, and let's see whether we'll be able to reach 85 kilometers. We have completed totally 88.5 kilometers, and till 83 kilometers I was able to drive easily, and after 83 there was break in the acceleration like after 35 speed. So I just maintained a speed of 25 to completely drain the battery, and I have done more 8 to 9 kilometers. You can see the odometer reading, which is 176. We started at 84 kilometers. So we have completely done 92 kilometers even by using two modes. So you can easily expect a range of 80 to 85 with the low speed mode. Thanks for watching the complete video, friends. Please do like, share and subscribe.